Hi everyone, this is Business Hunters, and today I want to talk about SEO, ranking your YouTube videos on the first page of Google. That's what I want to talk about today. And what I want to talk about is not something elaborate. There are some tricks that you need to do to rank your videos. These are things that I discovered on my own. These are not things that I go to anywhere to learn it. In the course of YouTubing, in the course of creating videos and uploading videos and spreading my videos, I am able to discover some key areas that you can touch to make your video rank within 24 hours. That's what I want to quickly show you. It is not something big, but it is something very, very important that a lot of people are not taking into account. That's what I want to talk about today. You know, when you are creating videos, all we focus on is how to put tags and how to put backlinks and all of that. These things are very, very important, but there are some things, key areas that you cannot touch in your videos that can make it rank. Your subscribers are also important, your audience are also important when you're uploading your videos. And I want to talk about the audience. There is something I realize each time I upload a video. The moment my audience react to my videos by commenting, by viewing, by liking my videos, I see that particular video begin to perform within the next 2-3 hours. I see result immediately when my audience react positively to my video upload. That's one thing I have discovered. The second one that is very key, that is even the most important one, is how you advertise your videos. Before now, whenever I create my videos and I upload, I rely on my subscribers to react to my videos to get ranked. But recently, something occurred to me that when you upload the video, you have to publicize your videos. So the moment I begin to do that, I started having positive response immediately. So that key point that I'm talking about, I want to show you by showing you one of the videos that I'm able to rank within. I ranked this particular video within 4-5 hours. The video was in second position at that time. But as of now, I want to search it to see the position it is now, so that you can see before I tell you what I did to rank it on the first page of Google. So let me quickly go to my browser and type in. I made a video about Silvercrest Blender, and today I posted that video today, and as we speak, this is when I typed in Silvercrest Blender, this is the result that came out. This person uploaded this video 3 months ago, and she is ranking number 1. Look at this one. He uploaded this video a year ago and is ranking number 2. He has 46,000 views. This one has 7.3k views. Then look at the video I just uploaded today. This is a video I uploaded today, and look at the position of the video. I uploaded this video today and is ranking number 3. If you look at the video here, it's new. And if you look at the hours here, he only got 22 views. And look at the hours since I uploaded it. This is 8 hours ago. But this video has been ranking number 3 since when it was barely 4 hours. He has been ranking number on the third spot since then. So there is something I did. There is something I did to make this video to rank. If you look at this second video here, this is one of my videos also. Before now, this video was ranking number 7. But the moment this video began to rank, it also pushed this one forward, and this one is ranking number 4 now. But this one has been uploaded about a month ago with 2.2k views. So there is a particular tricks that made this video to rank within few hours. And I want to say that most times we underrate the power of social media. We underrate it. What did I do on social media to get my video ranked within few hours? When I uploaded this video, I went to my Facebook page. All the website, all the groups on my page that relate to this video, that relate to importation from China, that relate to marketing, that relate to, I began to upload these videos. I paste the link of this video into several groups. And the moment people began to react to the videos, coming to watch it, clicking on the link and liking the video, this video skyrocketed immediately. That was just the simple tricks that I put together to get this video ranked within 4 hours. I didn't put any big effort of SEO or whatever to rank this video. It's just that simple tricks of social media, posting the links to the groups, and as people began to react to it and click on it, it began to rank immediately. That's just the simple tricks I discovered. So whenever you want to upload any video, look for the groups that you have already joined that relate to the particular video that you want to create. Post your videos after uploading it, paste the link to those groups, and see how people react to it. It's one basic ways of ranking your videos easily. That's what I just discovered, and I said, wow, let me put it out to my audience, whosoever that is YouTubing or doing YouTube videos, that they can apply to their channel and get ranked. That's what I have today. Kindly subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell. Be part of my channel so that when I upload subsequent videos, you will have access to my materials. Also like my videos, also share my videos if you find any value in what I put in here. I really appreciate your time watching this video to this point. May God bless you. Take care.